Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on the application of Duolingo. You click on settings in this page. You click on apps, default apps, app, settings. Here in this page you click on Duolingo app and you will enter. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your